Welcome back to India Top 10, your go to destination for strange facts, surprising stats, and reality you won't believe exists. Today, we're diving into India's legal system, but not the usual crime and punishment stuff. We're talking about the truly bizarre, unexpected, and downright confusing laws that still exist in modern India. Number 10, you need a permit to fly a kite. Aircraft Act 1934. Under the Aircraft Act, any object that flies, including kites, is technically considered an aircraft. That means if you're flying a kite without a permit, you could technically be violating aviation law. Of course, nobody's arresting kids during Makar Sankranti, but the law remains absurdly intact. Number 9, only the government can print maps of India. National Map Policy 2005. According to the National Map Policy, only government authorized entities can publish maps of India. If you publish a map with even slightly incorrect borders, you could face legal action. Even popular platforms like Google Maps have been pulled up over this. So tread carefully if you're a geography geek. Number 8, keeping a 1000 rupee note is a crime. RBI Act plus Demonetization Orders 2016. After demonetization in 2016, 1000 rupees and all 500 rupees notes were declared invalid. But it doesn't stop there. Just possessing those old notes today is technically against the law. So if you're keeping one in your drawer as a souvenir, you're unknowingly a criminal. Number 7, you can't carry more than 200 rupees in coins. Coinage Act 2011. While coins are legal tender, the Coinage Act restricts payment in coins to 200 rupees for any transaction. That means if you show up with a sack full of 1 rupee coins to buy a phone, the shopkeeper is well within their rights to say no. And the law backs them. Number 6, only licensed elephants allowed. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. In India, elephants are protected wildlife, and even domesticated ones require an official license. This isn't just a formality. Owning or transferring an elephant without proper paperwork can result in heavy penalties. So if you ever dreamed of owning a pet elephant, make sure the forest department approves first. Number 5, whistling in a courtroom can get you arrested. Contempt of court. Courtrooms demand strict decorum, and whistling, clapping, or making noise can be considered a serious offense. If a judge finds your behavior disruptive or disrespectful, you could be charged with contempt and even sent to jail. Yes, even an accidental hum can cause legal harm. Number 4, you can't name your baby. Inspector. State registrars under the Births and Deaths Registration Act. Some Indian states have restrictions on baby names that sound like official titles, such as judge, inspector, or commander. The logic? To avoid confusion and impersonation. So while Inspector Sharma sounds cool, you will have to earn that title the hard way. Before we dive into the top 3, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a countdown that blows your mind. Number 3, drunk driving a bullock cart is illegal. State traffic rules under the Motor Vehicles Act. Even though a bullock cart isn't motorized, riding one under the influence is still punishable under state-level traffic laws. The reasoning is about public safety. An intoxicated driver, motor or not, is still a danger on the road. So yes, drunk driving applies even when your vehicle leads grass. Number 2, not flushing a public toilet can get you fined or jailed. Municipal sanitation. Bylaws. Several Indian cities have municipal laws that fine people for not flushing after using public toilets. In extreme cases, repeat offenders can even face jail time. It's part of a larger push for public hygiene, but it's definitely one of the more personal laws out there. Number 1, public kissing by married couples can be considered obscene. Section 294 of the Indian Penal Code criminalizes obscene acts in public, and courts have interpreted this to include public displays of affection, even by married couples. Whether it leads to a fine or arrest often depends on the mood of the onlookers or local police. So yes, a simple kiss could get you in real legal trouble. From kites to bullock carts and toilets to baby names, India's legal system is full of unexpected twists. These laws may not be enforced every day, but they're very real and definitely very weird. Which one surprised you the most? And if you'd like us to explore even more strange Indian laws in a part 2, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching India Top 10. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a story that's truly stranger than fiction. See you in the next one.